Hello guys. Okay. Saturan phone kaham ke tini ang live payment ni hai kaisa reason angka ani video release ni tongo and amani title angka Maa-Pha hanai and this story is like whenever ang ani kaisa own purpose ni bagi sio there is some purpose and I try my best and omo ani agi ni shimi 2013 no ang jepro shimong start klayo after shimi ang omo no shi paikya and now finally with the help of my team and jin live my creation jin omo no klaimangka and azaga ang pro malter by aza collab klaikya. I hope you people will like it and get jing premiere just tight 7 minute tongkhong ke premiere starting nai narok nai man nai choi baksa premiere nai le nai ke we believe jung amsuk to our effort rimalia because of lockdown and good morning John Wangshu and jung asuk to ka hamke effort rimalia because almost jung chini para o khlayo like ani para tai malthar bro ni to sung sem para no ke jung azaga no shoot khlai like within a like short period okay je dino almost shoot khayo adino lockdown bongi thanga weekly lockdown so some rush khai jung phaina bagi sung shooting no complete khai kya and now finally like 10 sharp 10 o'clock video release nai मतलब दिल से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग देखो और कमेंट करो अच्छा लगा हो बुरा लगा हो कुछ भी whatever you feel just tell us so that we can do something better in next time and ये जो है वो actually वो this is all our own satisfaction for our own satisfaction हमने किया है उनके और जगह वो जंग जे क्लाइमान में नहीं जोतों चिनी effort नहीं अंदर हो ताई सिंग effort खाइमा में अंदर जंग क्लाई लेके in a short time and now if we talk about the story then a story in more any personal life ni story and but every my teenage life hay my past life baksa my story of face khaijak tongke borok bujui manai tai borok bo relate khaimane o story no ke borok bo jodi o story same to same ungja nai manana and ozmo naina ba just Maa-Pha hanai title click khaidi inke Maa-Pha hani phaikan ke aro nuk nai tabok just iko tabok 10:55 ungang ke 5 minute tongkho almost 5 minute inke premiere starting in thanai tini parents day hani baksa sab saiman saimi asung saimen ya ko but fathers day mothers day hani to bebak no share khaileo inke tini parents day amo india o celebrate khaijago actually amno google search khaike saiman na inke 25 July ngang parents day nge tabuk of parents day no rugi no chung omono ang especially bakhaw ja tongmani kok no express khaika because chung asak sometime to hostel life ko tong phayam bagi parents be asak ma tong liya so try ni simi no haksalo tongma bagi chung timing haika situation no je prusung parents be close nga nang time sung parents be close ngi manya but this is the way how I express my love towards my parents and brok saisi mai yang om khai tong hanai because they doesn't know that ang om hai ro si tong hanai but like totally it's an emotional time for me and I'm very emotional in that like because omo be like you know bekawai nangja ang try ni simi no sanamu chongmani but how imanya so literally ang kabiasek means ang kabiam tai but literally animo kolo kisa nami hulma hai asu jo nami hota hai wo omo ke fight om ha because ang emotional be like you know omo oro ang pura real phunuka ang bojaga wo polioi bojaga wo tamong phaika ang half of the story oro phunui tongo and I hope 자자가 나가네 너라고 박사모 할 story face khai phaija khai ke ba timing no face khai phaija ke narago bujiwa nakhane ke omsuno tay ko tay 3 minute tong khong ke joton rok nai man nai ang ani yang over share khalai wan screen share khalai le ne ang ke omo nai be pai phon rok ang habi nai di he kai ang habi bo direct comment khai mano ang tong nai ang ke joton no hambai ani ro 10 jona nai tong nai joto ani oro je friends tong nai rong no nai singma balo khama pha nai na ni phung ka ham SJJ sinai jong atia hambai phung ka ham no bo ang wala singjak ke iko tabuk nai le na actually ang amo content chin live ma creation no chung amo da phan no chung amo views hai ka ba kuno kaisa ang kuna boy khlaya it's all about amang khlanya mo chung khlai mani ke oro 10 hai ka 100 jona bora phan nai appreciate khai kan ke it will be okay for us okay for me because I'm just sharing my story with my viewers and with the public or nothing matter khlaya views matter khlaya nothing it doesn't matter just if anyone can relate the story like me then it will be my pleasure glad pleasure for me komsung no again ang ani back of five thaising emotional ngi thang kisasa nation it's only 59 so let's type no ani screen no talangi phunok siwana okay oro ma ke sikang ke no Maa-Pha hanai sidi hai kan bung sidi hai kalai ma creation sidi fight thangana omo to ani official kaisa link na oro thangdi so the premiere tabuk ni ko shortly begin shortly starting it thanga how will it be waiting ashingchak okay so everyone is waiting like me belakan hambai azago tongo ang op khaina kan duk nai Emmanuel Nashingjak Tara hambai Joy Deborah how will be waiting okay Joy very late okay Nashing tongo Jackie Deborah and Rakesh Deborah Nashing tongo so hambai jotona no okay ngesung nailene phadi wakshake so the final race is over. Totoran hambai je phai tong nai live nai tong nai rong no it's already done so not bowling tin I mane you direct but je live tong tong nai belakan hambai ta kisa sa tong tong ke sound combination not go nai mane eng live thang happen or young te je tong nai sahil riang khaikya bini bogan mia kaise release khaijak I know chini oro chini channel kisa sam koi tongma bagai baksa boro toto borong na gan khnai mambali ana hanai ke omo nai kan kan oro boman thanga na nugui manwa na okay got 34 seconds tongko let's watch together and damo bahayeng na ano comment is hari I believe jajagan hani if Sahil is okay then I will just bring to you to the camera if you say yes okay so here it is
Maa-Pha ori mung no ringai bus se khau khak chang ma norong ni maya apai fle ham sak ma no ma This is the count down to Mama. Bye, Gishabaya.
So this is me and my father, where he work.
Shubaya, Norongi, Hamzamano, Maa-Pha Norok, by Plea Hamzamano, the Kapabak, and no shine away, Moshapano, Mankapano, Lamao, and Lenang Mano, Damokaya, Donkadamo, Winya, Donkano, and Jamukano, Naina Bagi, what they know, what they hear, Shatuno, Shatuhina, Okora Shamung, Dankapuni, Shelling Engi. Busha, only one to not really a Maa-Pha, kitchen me to good that you not really a Apa, Kazama Zora, shot to the Turketonka, Hypano, Ano Norok, Kazana, really a Maa-Pha, Mayo Kui, Boshano, Sugi Norok Tonka, Hypano, Ani Puila up, Kuimano Metepka, we need to allow Tonka, no good to go Tishana Bagi, Shani Muchuma Kipka, Ani Muchuma Bagi.
Ani Sinsar Seno, Maa-Pha.
Bushan Kundrima Nanja, Busha Korong, Bushina Sharon, one of Makalaja, Shalamanu Buni Busharam no English by cock, Rohana Mutumanora, Ano English knock, Musuma Tongibo, Rohari Malia, Kuriran Pushani, English Purgi Malia, Hypanorka, Bebatona Shinsara Shiksha, Kaham Rano Baya, Kaham Tomon Shiksha, Opal Wari Nishimi, Jintakamini knock. Body wish you love Kashano Antini Borok, Kaham Shudun Nani Damirun, Nok Nanya, English Koshana Nile, English Nok Nanya, Kaham Tamo Hanya Tamo Joto Prunka Ano, Buni Kaham Klanya Badish Halbrum Shaka Ano, Ani Tomon Jamon Kaham Niki Shashini Jama, Tini Amo Ani Maa-Pha Shong Nino Perma, Wana Kokborok Bromikawa Ani Bagi, Tinango Musa Shida Angi Alemano Hune, Imakopulum, Bromimoklo Ani Bagi, Lungamuchuma Ano. Korsa Kokborok Angi, Basana Rung Shat by Tantini Angle, Noroni Imang no Mutan Sona Bagi Dini, Nango Hamari Ani Korogo, Yak Nongi, Dini Lamao Ani Klai Muni Bagi Angle, Table Shana Donko, Table Kani Gog Donko, Volume Tuni Bagi Table Gotagoma Donko, Lama Utamo, Unka Bahake, Shulai Jaka Aram Zazorani Kokborok, Sazang Nai Donko, English shooting Yawi Hindi shooting Tangito, Volume Tuno Washington, the Angle Tangi Shawi.
See, he is Bijan Deborma. He is the blogger of our Tripura from Kumulo. So this is the part I want to give a message to every youth.
How? Ani Maa-Pha song, Ani WhatsApp status nungya. Tangai hingke borok mobile yagotiya. Rena ke hamjak magana tongai ride. Photo share khaima bashimi. Borok ani hamjak mamaya.
Mam premam, astimam pitrugite, likiyaham hidiyaki janam tatana krite, janaha ratayanti kitam anayana krite, amagayami hidiyatamam pitru krite.
So we live on Christian, wish every parents. So this is my old picture with my parents. I never take a picture with them, but this one just took the picture when I was started filming a video. This is our executive members. His father just passed away 1 year before. He is some more our line director. This is his family with his. This is our executive Stefan from Borokatal, and this is our Vishal Deborma father and mother. He is the crew head of our Live Creation. And okay, let's wait to the end. This is uncle, and he's the father of Shalka Deborma, our backbone, co-founder and website developer. He is the engineer, computer engineer, and he is the main of our Live Creation. This uncle just passed away 1 year before, and This is what we dedicated to our parents. We just lost our 1947 to 2019, last year, and this is what we try to dedicate to our parents. And we just lost two important person. One is our Sarka father, and one is our executive member Sahil father. Just 1 year before, 1 year just passed away, and this is just to give a dedication to our parents, and we togetherly worked, and through this song I think we dedicated them, and they will be proud that we did it. And Jotoborok to parents they were slamia, but I did it because always ang kasi kraina mo mani, and parent buma bufa sinibagi tangi important ang saimano, and almost like emotional obviously in Maa-Pha because they did so much for me. Tini ang oro my god slami tomano plus live migration or some samon khalale to. This is because of all tini parents no support kama bagai haya je borok sinai nugnai hake borok saiman chu pora ganang nugnai chakiri khane haya live migration o joto chini members ni parents borok kunu khalaya actually tongo masamang ni, but chini most of the 100% ni bisingo 99% chung kasi farmer hake samong khainai ni besaro. And this is like borok chung no waisha pano mana khaya samong khaina bagai. They just gave us the permission, like freedom of work, that not just pan khlaidi samong khlaidi just kaham khlaidi hanai. And for that even I'm so glad that our parents wash upon an question arise kaya that why you are wasting time in this, and I'm doing whatever any passion any interest and kanya money, so they never stop me doing that. And this is what my story is all about, and this is what we try to convey a message that chini parents I'm so klayo just Father's Day, Mother's Day, photo share klayo shimi to obviously borok chini hamsak mano no like our family they don't have mobile with them, so how they will see our status? That's the main message I want to give to my youth. And that's I think amakun saya that's a correct thing. Sing chini parents no gano tongi se hamsak ma rimanai naki status share khaima ba. Yeah, tabung the modern generation of parents of mobile yagotu, they can be like them, like they can be freely watch their status, they can enjoy their parents, their fathers, their mothers, but this is our story and this is us, like chung chini azora wo amahai jora kre chini parents chung je age level don ha chini je years ni chrai ro borok chini status no ya obviously sin parents chini status no ya because borok mobile si yagot ya. And this is the last message I convey through somor ajago clip on nukjak phaimani. And whatever I shoot there o jaga o je video je tongmani jotono real footage omani un para ani un lama ang je balwari school or mention khaika footage omo ani un balwari school ang orono ani পরিমাণে বালবাড়ি স্কুল নিমকুলুগো যে কাছে সর্বশিক্ষা বালবাড়ি স্কুল যে সর্বশিক্ষা স্কুল দं স্কুলও আं পড়ি উই ফাইমানি. So my life was totally ang Bengali medium of pori faimani. And then again I did hard work. Actually I just want to learn how to speak English, and that time to take admission in English medium that's so difficult for us, like for chini family wa am hai supportive kare am hai financial kuno way kare je nang pori manani. So today whatever I am, it's because of my parents hard work and ang passion follow khai je srung man mani through people, through watching people how they speak. And this is what ang English kasi srung na mo sungwan today somehow I understand how to speak. And when people conversation like I understand. Okay, so through that journey, this is volume 1, and volume 2 will be this journey how I came to this field and why I'm doing this and how I came to know many people and how I learned my this English speaking, because I mentioned there that I'm English medium obviously, and then now volume 2 will be like totally my last part of the song. This is volume 1 and volume 2 will be shoot throughout all the Sabrum side to west, up to west. Amani journey, I'm school life of young pori with town only after after going to the Bengali medium, because ani all English rengani muchungmani kai sanu biang talangai boros to faika, that will be in part 2, means volume 2. And now where I'm doing like ang master degree klai tongwani up to date, ang gonna continue kaina, everything is done. Again, we'll do it, and I hope no Jazak Kana Hekeba on to Jani story, and this is my story, and we did it. No regret, actually, feeling good and feeling happy. Okay, so light Belakan Loka, and thank you everyone. Pai Nine Rongo and Kawai Hamzangma from Unlive Christian family in English, Jotona Hamba, and one and only Table Hambai Maro Oro. Ani video just shoot kainai rong ni bagai salka ani chunibai and wamtha esis kaimani bagai, and ani crew member Vishal Demporma and omano music renai malthar bro bo tabuk oro phai jiprao phai age puneo tongwan, and he did his best, and here is the result, and he's just awesome. And boy collab khai almost successful untha, and I'm so thankful to him, and he's my truly a brother. Just happy to know your passionate dream. Keep going. Thank you, brother Minto. Hambai be like hena nini wish ni bage kawai yasago. Hambai Ayoshi wow samajhdar ho zatona hambai. Okay, I got this deck, Bacha deck. This is so funny. Okay, let's end this and not a live tongi tongka yang naya. Please nine day go tangi not clear can no one daisa clear kebujuana, and just Hamzaka share klidi so that ani je message tai amu angze punungan amu we nugui mantang tai plus aro the last so the message tong amu nugui mantang. The story is real, the footage is real, everything is real. And there's nothing scripted or scripted. Everything is my own reliable village life and my life, past life. And message the last amobo totally unbukhani at that message line. And that I did a Sanskrit part, actually Sanskrit part rapping gamo. I just came to my mind that antak Hindi masters kaito gang Sanskrit ni 4 line as I add, and I did it. And pronunciation, obviously there will be some mistakes because Sanskrit is so hard. Eventually, when I was doing my masters in Hindi, the Sanskrit words are so hard to understand, and the Sanskrit word is not so easy to learn. And I just took the help from one of my professor, and she just made me so understandable, and I did my best, and I hope next time I can just do it better. And if agar kuch hua ho to I just want to say sorry, because the Sanskrit word, that pronunciation is not correct properly. I know that vocabulary is not good, but I did it my best. However, I just completed within a short period. And okay, after this, let's end this live session. And I'm so thankful that the people just came, and for your support, for your love, everything. I'm just thankful, and just want to hambai kawai be like video jaja khanke no feedback dia comment, and I'm personally ang to comment no jaga thangi check khai reply ro, because this is what I love and this is what you people gave me. And yeah, omsung namthang je tabuk phainai tai buskang donglai no joton hambai thangsinai omsung nang sitang kok bisik sana ni jeng khangke te kok sajak jingi thao joton tin parents de Simon kangke ba nong parents no ro gan o tongi hamsuma rodi at least call khaidi gan keno ngi thang gan o thangi mai na phano, but lockdown to joton parents ni logiwo nang bai na parawo nang bai na, so parents de gan ke gan o thang hamsuma rodi kok thaisa kajang ke sadi koni boy mungsa sa khaidi, that will be enough. Okay, photo share khai bai sim borok no ya again borok nini hamjama nini gana osnayo photo no galak amasung relate khai manu obviously. So thank you everyone, all the love.